How to download Minecraft on PC or laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft on your PC or laptop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and simply type Minecraft on the search bar and search for it. Now here on the search page, simply click on the first web page and after that you will enter the official website of Minecraft. Now once you are here, simply click on account at the top right corner and then select login. And if you already have a Microsoft account, simply go ahead and sign in. And if not, choose sign up and create your account. And after logging in, you'll land on the account dashboard. If not, just click on the account at the top again and then select profile. Now here, look for Minecraft Java Edition and click on Buy Now. Now choose your preferred edition and region and then click checkout and complete the purchase. And once you have completed the purchase, click on download button to get the Minecraft installer, and if you are not redirected automatically, go back to account, profile, and you will find the download launcher option. For Windows 10 and 11, click the default download launcher button, and once the installer downloads, run the setup file and accept Microsoft software license terms by checking the box and click install and allow it to make changes to your device if prompted. Now wait a moment while Minecraft installs. This might take a few minutes, and after installation simply press let's go to open the launcher. And after that you can sign into your Microsoft account. Sometime it will sign you automatically, and once you're done with that, simply click next and adjust the setting if you like and then click on let's go. Now press play and enter your username if prompted and wait for the game to finish downloading. And once that's done, simply click continue and that's it. Now you are ready to play Minecraft on your PC or laptop. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.